In this video, I'm going to show you guys a 100% free method of promoting affiliate marketing products that is sure to make you money. This one is sure to make you money. And on this platform, your article is going to rank much faster than it would have ranked if you had put it on a new blog. Okay, a new blog will take you anywhere from 6 to 8 months to reach maximum traffic. But if you put those articles on this micro blogging platform, it's going to rank faster, hence allowing you to make a lot of money before those that put it on their blog begin making money. Okay, and that micro blogging platform is Medium. A lot of people may not know, but Medium has a lot of traffic. If we go to similarweb.com, which is a website where you can check the monthly traffic of any website, you can see that medium.com, okay, has 183 million monthly visits, okay, and it has even dropped by 10%. So this could have easily been maybe 200 million monthly visits. So a lot of people visit Medium. So what you need to do is to first of all identify the product that you want to promote. In this video, we'll be using ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where vendors come and drop their products, and then affiliates like you and I get links that we can now use to promote those products. There are other affiliate marketplaces aside ClickBank like Genizo and Warrior Plus. There are thousands of them, but in this video, we'll be using ClickBank alone. So the first thing you want to do is to decide the product you want to promote. I have created a separate video on how to decide the products to promote. If you haven't checked it out, it will be the first in the description box below. So after you have decided the product you want to promote, you want to go ahead and click promote. Let's assume you want to promote the number one product on ClickBank. What you need to do is to click this magnifying glass, and it's going to sort out all the products on ClickBank in order of something called gravity. Gravity is the number of affiliates that have made at least one sale in the last 28 days or so. So this product ranking number one, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, has a gravity of 624.1. So this tells you that well over 620 affiliates in the last 1 month have made at least one sale. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click promote. I'm going to click promote, and it brings me to another page where I will copy my affiliate link. Now you will not be able to see that page because my recorder is only recording my browser window. Any other browser window or any other window in my computer that is open, you'll be unable to see it. But I have copied my link. I'm going to paste it here so you guys can see that I have actually copied my link. So that is my promotion link. That is my affiliate link. So, but I do not want to promote this link as this. It is too long. So I've visited some place called bit.ly. So you just go over to bit.ly and then click create a link and then click link. Okay, so when you click the link, you come here and then you paste your long URL. It is going to shorten it. It's going to make the URL a little bit more attractive. So this is the shorter version of the URL, and you can always change the name. You call this title the name of the product itself. So let's assume the name of the product we are promoting is Jake's weight loss product. So we'll name this Jake's weight loss product. Whatever the product is that you're promoting, you need to name it that, okay, and then you click save. So once you click save, it is going to save the link. So you go ahead and copy this short link. Now this short link is what you are going to promote, and in this scenario we are promoting Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Now two other things you want to do is that you want to click this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic so you can see the sales page. You open it in a new tab. Also this affiliates page, you also open it in a new tab, and then you go ahead and watch this video, this sales video. You go ahead and watch this sales video all the way to the end, and you also read this article all the way to the end. You want to be sure that you know what this product is talking about. You want to know what this product is. Okay, after you've done that, you go ahead and read the affiliates page. The affiliates page will tell you what affiliates should do, what affiliates should not do, the best ways affiliates should promote the product, and all that kind of information, including resources for affiliates. So you want to make sure you make use of all the resources that they give you. So you want to go through this, and if you end up doing things that they say affiliates shouldn't do, you stand a chance of getting banned. Okay, and that is not good. So that is why you want to go through this page. Now after you have done that, you know what this product is saying, you know the do's and don'ts of affiliates. Now you are ready to promote this product on Medium. So just head over to medium.com, create an account. It doesn't take any time at all to create an account on Medium. I will not go over that. I don't want to insult your intelligence. Just create the account, go to your email, and then verify it. So after you have created an account on Medium, you just come over here that shows your account, and then you click write a story. So when you click write a story, it's going to bring you to a place where you tell a story. So you just type the title of your article. We are trying to review Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, so we can just type Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Flat Belly tonic review. Okay, so this should have been here. Okay, so this is the topic, and then we can add some other things to it, like maybe all you need to know before you buy, something of that nature. Then you go ahead and paste your article. Of course, you have written your article before you come here to paste it. Then you go ahead and click publish. But what you want to do first is to go to Google and search Okinawa flat belly tonic review. Okay, you want to see what other people have done. So this is one such review by somebody. This is another review by somebody. This is another review by somebody. Okay, if you don't know much about SEO, then your best bet is to model. I didn't say copy. Don't go duplicating people's content. It's not going to rank. Okay, Google does not rank duplicated content. You want to write original content. But what you can do is just model what these guys have done. You can take their headlines. Okay, pick the headlines. What is Okinawa flat belly tonic? Pick the headlines. Why do you want this tonic? You can pick the headlines, but the content should be original. Your content has to be original. If your content is not original, your articles are not going to rank. That's just bad. That's wasted effort. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to understand how these guys model their own article and model it that way. But aside that, you want to know the length of their articles. So you click Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Then you go to a website called wordcounter.net. So when you get to wordcounter.net, you go ahead and paste it, and then you'll be able to see the number of words in that article. So that guy has written an article of 2,800 words. You see that is a lot of writing right there. That's a lot of writing right there, and perhaps that is why he is ranking number 1. So we have seen what this person has done. We want to see what this person did. So we also copy his own. Come over to word counter. We paste it and see how many words he has written. So this person has written well over 3,000 words. Okay, so people are really serious with promoting this product. Let's see what this third person has done. Okay, this person has prevented people from highlighting his content, but you can just make an estimate. Okay, you can just make an estimate. I don't believe this one is as long as the other two. So just as these guys have written 3,000 words, you want your own article to be 5,000 words. I know it sounds somehow, but if you really want to crush it, you want to make sure that your articles are much longer. The longer your article, the higher the chances that your article is going to rank. Of course, you don't want to just be writing nonsense. You want to write something really valuable, but the longer the better. As long as Google is concerned, the longer the better. Okay, now you know this is how long your main article should be. My recommendation is that you write 2 articles, a shorter review article and then the longer one that's just going to blow everybody out of the water. So you have those 2 articles. Just write the longer one, and then the shorter one is more like a summary. Okay, this is exactly what I do. So initially on Medium, you can make a lot of sales with affiliate marketing. Okay, but right now it does seem like Medium is cracking down on affiliates on Medium. So what you want to do is you want to funnel your readers from Medium to another place where they'll go and read the full review article. Okay, you don't want to put your affiliate links in this summary home that you're going to put on Medium. You want to put them in the main article. I'm not saying you can't make sales on Medium, but it seems that Medium is trying to limit affiliate marketers from making sales on Medium at this present point in time. So if we come over to Medium here and we search for Okinawa flat belly tonic review, now you can see review articles from people on Medium. If these guys were not making money from this thing, they will not be writing these articles. Okay, this article was written on May 24th this year. This article was written in December of 2020. This article was written in February this year. This one was written in January. Okay, this one was written in March. This one was written in January. So April, there are a lot of review articles here. So another thing you can do is just to open all these articles in a new tab, see the length of the articles, and make sure that your own is 1.5 times longer than the longest of the articles there. This is affiliate link. If I click official site here, it's going to take me to the the sales page. Okay, so if I go ahead and buy, that person makes a sale. Okay, so that is exactly what they are doing. But it seems Medium is cracking down on affiliates. Okay, so what I would prefer that you do is that you funnel people from here to your blog. And don't worry, if you do not have a blog yet, please just go ahead and use linkedin.com. LinkedIn is also another website that has massive traffic. Let me show you guys what I mean. If you come over here and we search for linkedin.com, you can see here that LinkedIn has well over 1.3 billion monthly visits, way more than Medium. Okay, LinkedIn is more viral than Medium. Okay, it's bigger than Medium. Once you get your LinkedIn account, just click here that says write article, and it brings you to this page. You put in your headline: Okinawa flat belly tonic review. Okinawa flat belly tonic review. Okay, this article is going to rank on Google. You don't need to worry yourself. Now at this point, LinkedIn has no problem with affiliate marketers. Everybody can just keep on promoting content on LinkedIn. So go ahead and do that. While on Medium, you write the summary version of your review, and then the links in this summary review is going to be leading all of them to this main review. Once you publish this article, you'll be able to get the link to the article. So to say, this is the link to the article, linkedin.com/post. So you just copy this, and this will be what will be inside your summary articles which you are writing on Medium. Remember, a good article should contain images, it should contain videos if possible. Okay, that's what a good article. Don't just write an article that has no images. Write a long article that has illustrative images and perhaps a YouTube video if you have a YouTube channel. I'm going to create a video on how to promote affiliate products on YouTube, so you want to stay tuned for that as well. Now, the last thing I want to mention in this video is that whenever you write a review article on Medium, at the bottom of your review, you want to leave an affiliate disclaimer. You want to tell the reader, hey, this article contains affiliate links, and if you click on any of the affiliate links and buy, I will get a commission. Medium requires it. So if you write any review articles and there are no affiliate disclaimers at the end, then you could run into some trouble. This person put a disclosure. He said, I only recommend products I will use myself, and all opinions expressed here are our own. This post may contain affiliate links that at no additional cost to you, I may earn a small commission to support the expenses to keep my website going. Thank you. So this is a disclaimer. The person is saying, hey, I'm making some money if you make a purchase. Okay, this is very important on Medium. If you do not put this, you're going to run into trouble. So that is how to go and crush it on Medium. Remember, don't just write one article and expect to make all the money in the world. Keep on writing articles, keep on pumping out articles. Okay, at some point your articles are going to begin ranking. Articles don't rank immediately. It takes between a few days to a few months. Okay, it can even take up to 3, 4, 5 months for an article to rank. It can take that long, especially on websites. On Medium, maybe 2 to 3 weeks, 1 month, maybe it can rank. So don't post the article today and start worrying about making a sale tomorrow or next, except you are promoting your Medium article on other platforms like Facebook groups, on YouTube, and maybe Instagram or other microblogging sites or groups that you belong to. Except that is the case, you just need to wait for the algorithm to pick your article. So guys, this is how to crush affiliate marketing by writing review articles on Medium. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. If you did not enjoy the video, leave me a dislike. Tell me how I can improve the video. This video is just one of the videos in a complete mini affiliate marketing course. The link to the playlist will be in the description box below. Aside that, check out these 2 videos. There are also going to be videos in the course as well, packed with a ton of value.